In this video, I'll show you how to unfriend someone on Facebook using your phone. If you no longer want someone on your friends list, you can remove them in just a few quick steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the search icon at the top of the screen and type the name of the person you want to remove. From the search results, tap on their profile to open it. Once you are on their profile page, look for the Friends button located under their profile picture. Tap on the Friends button and a menu will appear with several options related to your friendship settings. From this menu, tap on Unfriend. Facebook will then ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Confirm, and the person will be removed from your friends list immediately. After unfriending, they will no longer appear in your friends list and they won't automatically see your private posts anymore. However, they can still view any posts you have set to public. If you ever want to add them again, you will need to send a new friend request. And that's how you can easily unfriend someone on Facebook. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thumbs up sign mobile phone.